Ka BJP Meghalaya hynne sngi kalakam bakidon haduh shispa arkhulai ngut ki Kyrtong ki papan tiket ban iakhun ke eleksyon MLA na ka parti mynta ka samoi. Haba kren bikila pathai Khubor Presiden ka BJP Meghalaya uba Ernest Mawrie iathuh bakidon ki Constituency bakidon haduh lai sau ngut ki Kyrtong baya Knieh Tiket. Katkum ka jingong Jong ka parti kala pynkreh ru ba Shen kan Pynbna Noh ki kyrteng ki Kyrtong hadien bikila yo ke jingmynjur na Delhi.
We have received 123 applications from different constituency. Like in some constituency, we are having multiple application, mean like 3, 4, even like Daru, for example, we are having 4 aspirant, mean applicant, and even in the Mahandragan, we are having 6 applicants. So that is going on, and I think immediately we are going to convene the State Election Committee, where we will send all the names of the candidate to Central Parliamentary Committee for approval. See, date for declaration of candidate will not take time now. Just after the State Election Committee, we are sending all the names to Delhi, to our central office, and you know, the Honorable Prime Minister, he is the chairman of the Parliamentary Committee Board. In that committee, they will clear all the candidates' names. We are a national party. Unless the Election Commission declare the date, we cannot announce our candidate. And you know, even I think the Congress also officially they have not announced. Only this regional party, they have announced. But we as a national party, we have already, they have declared the date from the Election Commission. We are under process. We are going to declare the name of the candidate immediately. Mean like project seat. It is not that we are going to contest all the seat. It means that from the party, this seat which we are projecting, like this potential seat, because you see there will be a grade, national party, A, B, C category. So this seat which I have already highlighted just now, it is a projected seat. Winnability chance is more in that seat. We are expecting to win more than that. But you see, we are in line with the survey also. We'll just not go for just a press report or a piece of paper. We are working in the ground. So whatever report I have tabled in the Central Executive Committee meeting, that is fact with the survey. Confidential seat, Shillong City, Tura City, and in the plain area, Janja Hills also we have.